Have you ever looked at your Ooma app and thought, man, this name is so boring? Or maybe you've changed your name and want to update your Ooma account to reflect that. Well, you're in luck. Today, we're going to dive into the world of Ooma and show you exactly how to change your name on the app. Ooma is a popular VoIP service that offers affordable and reliable phone calls. One of the great things about Ooma is its flexibility. You can customize many aspects of your account, including your name. So, whether you're looking for a fresh start or simply want to update your information, let's get started. Step 1. Accessing your Ooma app. The first step is to open your Ooma app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, you should see a main screen with various options. Step 2. Navigating to account settings. Look for a section labeled Settings or something similar. This is usually located in the bottom navigation bar or in the top right corner of the app. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Finding the name change option. Within the settings menu, you should find an option related to your personal information. It might be labeled Profile, Account Details, or something similar. Tap on that option. Step 4. Updating your name. You should now see a screen where you can view and edit your personal information. Look for the field labeled Name or something similar. Tap on it to edit the text. Step 5. Entering your new name. Type in your new name exactly as you want it to appear on your Ooma account. Make sure to double-check the spelling and capitalization. Step 6. Saving your changes. Once you're satisfied with your new name, look for a Save or Submit button. Tap on it to confirm your changes. Your new name should be updated immediately. Additional tips. Verify your changes. After saving your changes, it's always a good idea to verify that your name has been updated correctly. Check your Ooma app or website to confirm the new name. Contact Ooma support. If you encounter any issues or have questions during the process, don't hesitate to contact Ooma's customer support. They can assist you in resolving any problems. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Ooma name. By following these simple steps, you can personalize your account and make it more reflective of who you are. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and update your Ooma name today. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy Ooma.